I'm down at the park and I'm going to be cooking breakfast. And what I want to show you is the setup that I've got here. I'm going to be using Induction, but the reason I can do that is because I've got iTechworld's PS2000, which is a battery and inverter in one. So it's powering the induction cooker and also the 95-litre iFROST dual fridge freezer. And it's actually being charged by the 300-watt solar blanket behind me. Anyway, let's start cooking. I'm really enjoying cooking with Induction. It heats the food up very quickly. I've traditionally been used to having to drag down gas bottles and a barbecue, but with the Power Station 2000, it just can run this as well as the fridge. And I'm just about ready to put the eggs on here. iTechworld's PS2000 Power Station has a 160 amp hour lithium battery and 2000 watt inverter in it. It'll run most of your household appliances such as this induction cooktop or a coffee pod machine, your computers, and even the other day I used it to power our pressure washer when I was cleaning outside. One of the best things is that it is so portable. It's only 22 kilos, so it's relatively light to lift. You can change it from one car to another. I can lend it to my kids if they want to use it. And when we go camping, it's great because it'll run the fridge, the lights, it'll charge our phones and cameras, as well as the induction cooktop. And it doesn't really matter as far as using a lot of power because it's being topped up by the 300-watt solar blanket behind me. Everything stays recharged thanks to the sun. So just before I go, I wanted to run through the key features of the Power Station. The Power Station has a light at the front with an SOS function. It's also got multiple USB chargers, including 2 fast USB-C chargers. There is a 12-volt cigarette lighter output, in addition to an XT60. There are also 2 12-volt DC outputs. On the side here, it's got an MPPT plug, which is where the solar panels connect to the power station. You don't need a solar regulator because there's already one inbuilt. It also has pass-through charging, which means that you can run your fridge and other appliances from the power station while it's being charged by an external source. And on the other side, we have 3 power plug attachments for most of your household 240-volt items. So that's it for the PS2000 Power Station. I'm going to go put the kettle on and make myself a cuppa.